Hello kids, today we are learning A to Z and color names. So let's start. Orange color, sky blue color, purple color, pink color, red color, blue color, brown color, light green color, white color, dark green color, peach pink color, black color, yellow color, gray color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Pink color. A for ant. A for ant. Blue color. B B for bed. B for bed. Brown color. C for cat. C for cat. Orange color. D for duckling. D for duckling. Red color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Light green color. F for fingers. F for fingers. Yellow color. G for grapes. G for grapes. Purple color. H for horse. H for horse. Peach pink color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for jacket. J for jacket. Blue color. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Brown color. L for leaf. L for leaf. Orange color. M for monkey. M for monkey. Red color. N for nurse. N for nurse. Light green color. O for onion. O for onion. Yellow color. P. P for panda. P for panda. Purple color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Pink color. R. R for run. R for run. Pink color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Blue color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Brown color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Orange color. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Red color. W. W for well. W for well. Light green color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Yellow color. Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Purple color. Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Pink color. 1. Pink color. 2. Blue color. 3. Brown color. 4. Purple color. 5. Orange color. 6. Yellow color. 7. Red color. 8. Light green color. 9. Pink color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.